Hello everyone, welcome to Flawless Mathematics. Today I will start another new chapter with a lot of interest, that is differentiation. So what is differentiation, or in another word we can say it derivative, right? So what is derivative? Let y equals to f of x be a real valued function, right? Be a real valued function, right? Now if we assume that x has very small increasing or increment, that is delta x, that is del x, right? So very small increasing or increment, that how can we represent it? Del x, by del x, corresponding y has small increment also, right? Corresponding y has small increment also, that is del y, obviously, right? Del y. Now if you put that y equals to f of x, then what can we write here? That is y plus del y equals to f of x plus del x, where del x and del y is very small increment of x and y respectively, right? Now what is del y? So del y equals to f of x plus del x minus y, right? So f of x plus del x. Now substitute instead of y, what can we write here? Y equals to f of x, so f of x, right? Now if you divide both sides by del x, then what can we get? Del x del y by del x equals to f of x plus del x minus f of x whole divided by del x, okay? Both divided by del x. Now here del x is very small, right? Here you see that x has very small increasing, right? So del x tends to 0. Here del x, that is tends to 0. That means very close to 0. Okay, very close to 0. Now if del x tends to 0, then what can we apply here? Limit, right? So limit del x tends to 0, del x tends to 0, del y by del x equals to limit del x tends to 0, f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x, right? This is called the coefficient of derivative at x, right? At x with respect to respect to y, okay? So that is called, this limit is called the coefficient of derivative at x with respect to y. Now if we assume or let del x equals to h, then del x tends to 0, that means h tends to 0, right? So limit h tends to 0, del y by del x equals to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, where y equals to f of x. Okay, y equals to f of x, because at first we assume that y equals to f of x be a real valued function, right? So now we can write here that in another form, ddx of f of x, ddx of f of x, that means a ddx, this is called derivative, right? So ddx of f of x equals to this, okay, equals to this. So that is called the derivative, right? So ddx of f of x equals to limit, okay, ddx of What is it? Y, because f of x equals to y. So dy by dx equals to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h, f of x plus h minus f of x whole divided by h. Okay, this is the definition of derivative. Okay, the definition of derivative. I hope you will understand that how can we derive the differentiation, right? So dy by dx, let's summarize it. Dy by dx equals to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x whole divided by h. This is the definition of differentiation. And how can we derive it? I have showed already, right? So after that I will move for the rules of derivative. Now what kind of rules here? The fundamental rules of derivative. Okay, there are two types of rules of derivative. Number one is fundamental. So fundamental rules of derivative or differentiation, anything you can say here. Okay, so fundamental rules of derivative. Fundamental rules of derivative. And another is standard rules of derivative. Okay, there are two types of rules of derivative. One is fundamental rules of derivative and another one is the standard rules of derivative. Okay, so what is the fundamental rules of derivative here? If you consider that f of x, g of x, h of x, u, v, w, etc. Are the function of x, the function of x, okay, the function of with respect to x, okay, or the function of x. Now the rules are, number one, that is ddx of f of x plus or minus g of x plus minus h of x plus minus dot dot dot, you can be anything that is function of x. Now the rule is ddx of f of x plus minus ddx of g of x plus minus etc. Right. So for example, if there is an example of ddx of 3x square plus 2x. Okay. Now how can we solve it? That is ddx of 3x square plus ddx of 2x, right? And what is ddx of 3x square? That is 6x, right? 6x. And now when I will teach you the standard rule of derivative, then you will easily understand that then why I am writing here 6x and why I am writing here 2, right? So let's till now you can say that this is the rule. Okay, so if there is a various kind of function of x and we have to derivative this all kind of addition or subtraction, then the rule is that each term, okay, the derivative of each term we separate from the derivative of each term and then we will addition. Okay, then we will addition that all term, right? Here ddx of 3x square plus 2x, that means if there is two terms and then first of all we separate that two terms with respect to x and then we derivative, that is ddx of 3x square plus ddx of 2x, then we add up. Okay, so the answer is 6x plus 2. And it's normally if there is subtraction, so here minus and then the answer is 6x minus 2. Okay, now the second fundamental rule of derivative is number 2, that is ddx of c into f of x. What is c here? C is a constant term, right? C is a constant term. So the rule is c into ddx of f of x. That means the constant term we can put it out in without derivative. Okay, that means the constant term we can emit out in the outside and then we can derivative the function of x, right? So the rule is C into ddx of f of x. Now the third one is if there are two function in ddx, there are two function in multiplication form, that means ddx of uv, then what can we do here? That is u into, the rule is u into ddx of v, that means one term is constant and derivative of one term, derivative of another term or another function, and plus v into ddx of u. And then also the remaining term will constant and the derivative of the remaining term, right? So মানে বুঝতে পারছো তো, দুটো যদি অপেক্ষক থাকে ইউ আর ভি, তো প্রথমে আমরা প্রথমটাকে কনস্ট্যান্ট রাখলাম, তোমরা মানে উল্টো পাল্টাও করতে পারো, ঠিক আছে? ইউ ক্যান অলসো রিভার্স ইট, দ্যাট মিনস ভি ইন্টু ডিডিএক্স অফ ইউ প্লাস ইউ ইন্টু ডিডিএক্স অফ ভি, ঠিক আছে? এনিথিং ইউ ক্যান ডু হিয়ার, রাইট? সো ইউ ইন্টু ডিডিএক্স অফ ভি. Okay, for example, if there is ddx of let's say 3x square, okay, 3x square into you can say here 2x plus 3, right? 3x square into 2x plus 3. Then how can we approach it? That means let's say this is the term 3x square, that is u, and this is the term, you can say it as v, right? You can treat it as v. Now 3x square into ddx of v, that means 2x plus 3, and after that you have to constant as 2x plus 3 into ddx of 3x square, okay? And after doing the derivative we will get the answer, okay? Now let's say that if there is two function in division form, that means ddx of u by v, then how can you approach there? That is v square, okay, whole divided by v square and then v, okay? So u by v, and here v is the denominator, okay? So v square and then v into ddx of u, okay, ddx of u minus, got it, minus, okay? Here if there is the plus sign, then you can reverse it, but here the minus, okay, here the sign is negative, so you can't reverse it, right? You can't reverse it. You should remember this as well. There I will show you, okay? So v into ddx of u minus u into ddx of v, okay, u into ddx of v, that is the formula, okay? So here the denominator term is v, so you can first of all the function, the formula is that in the formula in the denominator there is v square, then v into ddx of u minus u into ddx of v, okay? And the third the last one is if there is three function of x into multiplication form, that means ddx of u, v and w, okay? Then what can we do here? That is 2, that means u into v ddx of w, and similarly uv, so vw and bw into ddx of vw, that means u, and plus another is uw and ddx of v, okay, ddx of v. So that is the formula here, and up to this there are the 5 fundamental rules of derivative, and in the first one that is addition and subtraction, both are there, so you can say that there is 6 types of fundamental rules in differentiation. So that's all for this session, and I will suggest you that these 6 formula you have to retain in copy and practice it, okay? If you will write it 2 times, then I will assure you that you have remind and you will get that what is the formula, okay? So that's all for today's class, and in the next video I will show you the standard rules of derivative and their illustrative example, okay? So up to this, stay tuned and bye bye and take care, okay?